Hi guys, my name is Tara. Today I'm gonna make video of veggie patty. I hope you guys watch this video and learn the recipe and cook it for your family. As I told you guys, I will make today a veggie patty. Very easy, very delicious. So I have this is actually a big cauliflower. I love cauliflowers. So I just gonna use half of this, cut it in small pieces. I'm gonna put in my blender. Now we're gonna do celery. You can put any veggie you like. So I make it easy, delicious, and fast. Potatoes. I have a big onion here. I want to use just half of it. I have a couple garlic, so I already take the skin off. And I have here a piece of ginger. I'm gonna put half of it. I love the taste of ginger. It's really good for your health. Also, it's very healthy. So because the potatoes has a little bit watery and onion, so what I do, I'm gonna put it in here to take the juice out. If you like, you can put carrots, you can put zucchini. If you use zucchini, you have to do it same way that I do the potatoes and onion, because zucchini has a lot of water. It's very juicy vegetables. You take all the juice, most of it out. Actually, I like to use my hand. It's faster. I'm gonna mix it first. Then the spice that I have here, I use turmeric. I love a little bit spicy, so this is a chili powder, lemon pepper, paprika, and this is dry dill, black pepper. This is more garlic and ginger that I pasted before. I'm gonna put that too also. So first I start using 3 eggs. I have to use a little bit breadcrumb, and then you mix it good. Turmeric is give good color to it, and it's tastes really good. Any food I make, for sure I put turmeric inside, because turmeric is really good for your health. It's good, it's not too watery, because we're gonna fry it this in vegetable oil. Actually, it's good to keep it in the fridge like for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then fry one, taste it, see how's the salt. We eat this with like if you want to make a sandwich, you can eat with tomatoes. I leave it in the fridge for 20 minutes. I take it out, and then now I'm gonna put vegetable oil in my pan. Okay, I put in a medium heat, not too high, Parmesan, and a little bit dry parsley. Okay, I'm gonna fry one, taste it, see if salt and all the spices fine. I take 1 tablespoon of this mix that I have, put it in breadcrumb. We're just gonna make a couple of them so we can try, see how's the taste before I cook everything. It still is need a little bit more. I'm gonna slowly, you have to turn it the other side. You can cook it a little bit more if you like. I'm gonna give to my husband to try. He always try whenever I cook something. He always try and he tell me it need more salt, because he's also chef. We cook together in the kitchen. So this is Faromars, my husband. Is the salt good? Come on.
Beautiful.
Good? Doesn't need anything? Okay, good. I put my stove a little bit down so it doesn't burn. So I garnish it with a little bit tomatoes, baby cucumber pickles, and olive. And this is the green stuff is parsley. All of this eatable. And guys, you can eat this for your dinner, appetizer, like a snack. This is excellent and delicious. If you make it, you eat it, you like it, please subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this with your family, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.